Welcome to Beautyistic, where beauty isn't just about looking good, but feeling good too. Today, let's talk about a foundation that does a bit more than your standard coverage, the Jane Iredale Skintuition SPF 30 Radiance-Boosting Liquid Foundation. Perfect for those looking for not just a flawless finish, but added protection and skin benefits, this liquid foundation promises to both perfect and protect. Now let's break it down. This foundation comes in a 30 light medium shade, which is versatile enough to suit a range of skin tones, particularly those with a light to medium complexion. It's formulated to cater to all skin types, making it a good option for most people, whether you have dry, oily, or combination skin. As the name suggests, one of its standout features is the SPF 30. This isn't just about adding some sunscreen into your makeup. It's about offering a significant level of protection while you go about your day. SPF 30 helps to defend against harmful UV rays, reducing the risk of sun damage, and making it ideal for those who want to simplify their routine without compromising on skincare. What I love about this foundation is the finish. It's radiant without being too glowy. It's not going to leave you looking oily by midday. The natural finish is perfect for those who want to enhance their skin's appearance without it looking heavy or cakey. The texture of this liquid foundation is smooth and lightweight, making it easy to apply and blend seamlessly into the skin. In terms of coverage, it offers a medium finish, which is great if you want something that evens out your complexion without masking your skin completely. It's perfect for day-to-day wear, where you want to look polished but still have your natural skin shine through. When I tested it, I wore it for a full day, from morning meetings to an evening out. I was impressed by how well it held up. It didn't settle into fine lines or pores, and it didn't oxidize or change color as the day went on. Plus, the added SPF means I didn't need to worry about reapplying sunscreen throughout the day, which is a huge plus. The foundation blends easily and feels comfortable on the skin. I didn't feel like I was wearing much makeup at all, which is a relief for anyone who finds heavier foundations a bit suffocating. It also didn't feel greasy, and I noticed my skin didn't dry out or become patchy in certain areas, which is often the case with some foundations, especially when they contain SPF. Now, like any product, there are a couple of things to keep in mind. While it's great for all skin types, those with very oily skin might find it a bit too radiant in certain areas. Setting it with a light powder could help to control any shine, but it's worth noting that it's not designed specifically for matte finishes. In terms of value, considering the added SPF, vegan and cruelty-free formulation, and the fact that it offers medium coverage with a natural finish, it is a bit on the higher end price-wise. But if you're someone who appreciates the combination of skincare and makeup in one, it's an investment that could save you time and money on separate products. If you're looking for an alternative with similar benefits, but at a lower price point, there are some great foundations with SPF, like those from drugstore brands that offer comparable coverage and protection, though they may not have the same clean beauty credentials. In terms of build quality, the bottle is sleek and functional, and the pump ensures that you don't over-dispense the product. Always a win in the world of foundation. There's no waste, and I found that the amount of product dispensed with each pump was just the right amount for me to cover my face evenly. As far as longevity goes, the foundation remained intact throughout the day, with no significant fading or patchiness. I would expect this product to last as long as most medium coverage foundations, with consistent wear for about 6 to 8 hours before any touch-ups may be needed. Now, if you're looking for a foundation that can take you from day to night without compromising your skin's health or appearance, this could be a great option. It's perfect for those who want a radiant finish, SPF protection, and a product that offers both coverage and skincare benefits. If you've tried this foundation or have any thoughts about it, drop a comment below. I'd love to hear your experiences with this one. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click that bell icon so we can continue bringing honest reviews your way. You can find the link to purchase the product in the description box or comments below. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.